Ka Cabinet Jog Sorkar Jala, kala menjur pynkut no iaka scheme Saubhagya ba Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Gram Jyoti Yojana DDUGJY hadian balayo iaka report ka bakhatdu na ka Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited MEPDCL batla batha ban shimmi ka senjam persha iki kontraktor ki bakhalam pyndep yaki kam bakot syakasan pesaw lak tingka. Ki scheme ki badai ban punpoi boarding shekilong ying hendrei kala suki no namar ka jing tokid ba ka jing penshisha ya ka jing yat ka scheme. U Menteri Rangba Konrad ke sangma habakran shakinong thok kubor hadin ka jingalang hak khat waiterik ula ong ka Sorkar kala Pdiang ya ka report bala menjur ban pendam no ya ka scheme Saubhagya DDUGJY bat ki wei ki jingtai. Usangma ulapun pau ru baka jing pendam ya ka scheme ladap an pha Shak Rural Electrification Corporation REC bat kitna Sorkar Pdiang menta laisnam menshwa Henry lapha ya ka MEPDCL banit pinsi syabiang namar ka jing don jing keno badan ki jaka ki ba 4 dap ka kam. Hadian ki jing pinsi syabun sin ka MEPDCL kala syam banaka kendai pun ru kulur tingka ka kam ke badan haka jing to okid kadon kakam bakot syakasan pusaw lak tingka kaba 4 pendam. Halor kani ka Sorkar kala Pdiang ya ka financial closure report bala ajing bit ya ka MEPDCL ban pensange no ya ka jing siu ya ka pisa basan pusaw lak tingka kaba 4 dam. Kat bai ki weipat ki kam ladap ban pensisha bat on siu no ya ka pisa badai jongki laong usangma. Menteri Rangba ula ong ru baka kabinet kala rai bakinam pelat pisa na kabentai ki kam bempat dam hai ki laipo ru sapho shnong ki basyakta. Ki kontraktor ken sahab shim kabu namar shim na siu ya pisa jongki ula benram. Usangma ula penpau ru ya jingkermen halor ka scheme tmai Revamped Distribution Sector Scheme RDSS bala menjur da ka Sorkar India ban penpoi ya boarding shekishnong bat kilong yeng. Ka RDSS ke bala menjur da ka Sorkar India bat marsen pentrekam ya kani ikermen ban kenthop lut ya kishnong bat kilong yeng hapo kani ka scheme laong Menteri Rangba.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
So basically the physical completion or the physical closure report had gone to REC about 3 years back. But after that phase, the MEPDCL was still asked to do a verification on basis of different complaints that kept coming to us that certain places the work was not done, was not completed. And though the physical closure was done, we decided that we should do a further verification to be sure from our side. And we did that verification and the reports came in, and the director technicals of the 3 different branches or companies of the MEPDCL, they sat and had multiple meetings, and ultimately the report was submitted to us that out of the work that was at question, about 96 crores of work was being verified. The committee and the MEPDCL has submitted a report today to us that after multiple verifications, they have found that 54 lakhs of work has not been completed out of the 96 crores. Out of that, the rest has been completed. So about 30 to 40 villages are there. I don't have the names of the villages. So based on that, we have accepted that financial closure report from the MEPDCL and asked or given the permission today to MEPDCL to go ahead with the financial closure based on this report that about 54 lakhs of work was not complete, which means that the payment for those 54 lakhs will not be done, and the rest of the work where the work has been completed, verification has been done, necessary payments be released. The contractors will be, of course, taken to task. So wherever in the sense that the payments will not be made to them. as I said, we will not make the payments to the concerned contractor on those
But
basis.
villages,
We will work on that. So as I said, once we do it, we have not, today the report has come, so we will now examine on how to move forward. But as I said, that we have decided that we will not make payments for those particular villages. RDSS scheme from Government of India that has come, which is meant to close all the villages and houses which are not electrified till now. And this scheme has been approved by Government of India. So once this is executed, we are hopeful that we'll be able to cover most of the villages and houses.
by when, sir?
I don't have that number with me because it's a new question you asked me, in the sense that RDSS scheme is, the details are different. So this is this is an old scheme. The one you asked me is a new scheme. So I'll require notice. Verify. And we wanted to be sure. And it would be incorrect on our part to just simply jump to any kind of conclusion. So therefore we waited, we verified, we re-verified, because we really wanted to be very, very sure. And we wanted to take action against those who have not completed. So after multiple verifications, these reports have come. And we feel that now the time has come to close it, because it has been pulling on for quite some time. And based on that, the agenda was brought to the cabinet and we've taken decisions.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.